Starting the system on the ground floor, we will press the button on the second floor, equivalent to button P3. Meanwhile, we'll keep the door open button forced, and you can see that the motor doesn't activate. We'll press the P2 button, equivalent to the intermediate floor or the first floor, and you'll see it still doesn't activate. We close the elevator door, which deactivates the normally closed button. Now, we press the P3 button again and likewise P2. Since we haven't reached the end of the P2 travel, it will pass throughout P2 and after a brief delay continue to the second floor, equivalent to pressing the P3 button, and that will complete the programming. Let's see that if I press the R1 button, equivalent to the thermal relay button, the motor deactivates. After the thermal relay is activated and functioning, it will resume the required flow. This program has been developed by Maria Eugenia Swedowski, an electromechanical technician specialized in industrial maintenance. It is offered for sale with its 3 distinct features. Access to the program can be found throughout the link provided below the description.